Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in 3ds Max for beginners. And in this today video tutorial I am going to discuss with you twist modifier in 3ds Max. So I am going to my create geometry here and I am going to draw a simple box here, and you can draw in any view. So I will draw a box here of any height, and suppose this is our box. And now I am going to my full project view in perspective, and I am going to my modifier list here, and in the list we'll go and search for twist, type T, and you will go to faster to your modifier list here, and I am going to select this twist here. And now you can see there is some parameters twist, and you can see here angle is here and bias is here and twist axis. So I am going to make this angle as 30-degree twist. I want this building to be 30-degree twist. You can see this box is at 30 degree. So whatever degree, if you want to rotate, you can do this. If you want lesser degrees, you can enter lesser values, and if you want to higher values, you can enter this angle value here. So likewise you can increase or decrease your twisting forms here. And you can see this is bias, you can increase or decrease this bias forms here. So it will be on that much. You can see this orange line, so this is bias here, and you can make it default 0 here. And now you can see there is twist axis, X, Y or Z axis. So this is along the Z axis. So if you want to twist your building at Y axis, you can select Y. If you want to twist at X axis, you can select X, and you can also make this at Z axis. And you can see if you want to limit from bottom and upper, you can select this limit effect like other twisting like taper modifier. You can select like this and you can do this from here. So if you don't want, you can leave this like this. So this was the tutorial about the twist modifier. In the next video tutorial we will come with some more interesting topics in 3ds Max. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.